Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I'm Kala Punnuri. Today's video is about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is to celebrate love in all forms. So let's make a special Valentine's Day decor for our family and friends. These are the heroes of today's video. I know they are small, tiny, but you will be amazed with the power of their presence in the decor of today's video. Some are scoops, some are empty containers, and some are caps, and some are unused parts of various containers while making different decor. I saved all these whenever possible. As today's theme colors are red and white, I will keep all the other colored caps and scoops aside. Other than caps and scoops, we will use some bottles in the decor. So first remove all the labels on the bottles and make them clean. In today's video, we are not going to do much of painting and drawing. As it doesn't take much time and having the material with me, I am making these hearts. These hearts provide a chic look to the whole setup which we are going to do. We'll make these hearts in two ways. One way is with plastic sheet, which is OHP sheet, and the other way is using any plastic container. As we are going to paint the hearts with glass colors, choose the plastic container with flat surface, not the round one. After cutting the hearts in different sizes, make the outline using 3D outliner. After the 3D liner is completely dry, fill the hearts with Fevicryl red glass color. To avoid any gaps while filling the color, push the color to the edges of the 3D liner using a toothpick. Fill the color in the other hearts of plastic sheet the same way. Now you may notice the difference between the two hearts. The one made with the plastic sheet is little transparent and the one made with the plastic container is opaque, and the heart made with plastic container is brighter than the other one. While making, I felt it is very easy and fun to make these hearts, so I decided to make a lot of them. Stick a thread on back side of opaque hearts using Fevicol or fabric glue and make a string of hearts. I got these pictures printed and thought of using one or two of them. So cut the pictures and stick them on bottles using any glue. If you don't want to stick any pictures, you can even draw designs of your choice using marker pen. Here I stuck both the pictures on opaque containers but not transparent ones. Now we will make the tiny heroes ready to decorate. Cut the handles of scoops if any and cut the required parts of other containers. Just pick up any opaque caps or containers, anything available at home, and place a tea light inside them. You just see the difference. The tea light illuminates the surroundings almost double compared to placed in transparent containers. Let me put the room lights off and show you the effect of all the tea lights in different containers. Now it's time to assemble everything and make a beautiful arrangement. I am going to utilize this place as already having this kind of sitting area in my house. For the contrast backdrop, I am using my red dupatta. You can use whatever available at home. I am going to stick this on the wall using IV grip tape, a double-sided tape which is stronger than any regular tape available in the market. I found this tape very useful for multi-purpose. The link will be given in the description box for this product. It doesn't spoil your wall when you remove this tape, but still I recommend you test it on a corner of your wall before you put it on the actual place. I took two dupattas of white color and tied them using rubber bands. You can use any fabric available but preferably a falling material. Stick the white fabrics using the same IV tape. Tuck the edges of both the fabrics under the mattress. Place these fairy lights along the outer edge of white fabric. Now start arranging everything according to the space available. You may notice how I placed the tea lights in various containers in different ways. You can add existing decor available at home to add more beauty to the place. Here I placed picket fence and brought in some greenery of kokedama plants and added a few roses. The red hearts brightened the whole place, I feel. I stuck the transparent hearts using just one dot of glue. Just by placing the fairy lights inside the plastic bottle, how beautifully we can highlight the picture. Have you ever thought of using all these waste containers anytime? Just by adding a few tea lights in these waste containers, you can transform the whole place into a beautiful cozy corner. Don't you think it's amazing? That's why I always suggest not to discard any part of the container while upcycling. This is what art around house is all about. Just look around the house, you will find art around house. I wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. You guys made my journey easy by showing so much support. So I wish you lots of love and fun on this day of love. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Leave your suggestions in the comment section below. See you all in my next video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.